Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In my last video, our topic was daily routines. In our part 2, we will talk about how to arrange appointments. I will teach you how to arrange appointments, how to refuse the appointments, and how to agree to the appointments. Are you ready? Then let's start. Part 2. To arrange appointments, to make appointments. Termine machen. I have shared the topic into the informal and the formal appointments, and I would like to start with the formal appointments. That means maybe you're trying to call it GP surgery or you call in an office. Du rufst also einen Arzt an oder auf einer Behörde oder auf einem Amt, um einen Termin bitten. Um einen Termin bitten means ask for an appointment. You could ask, haben Sie einen Termin frei? Haben Sie einen Termin frei? Do you have an available appointment? Or another way could be, a more common way, kann ich bitte einen Termin haben? Kann ich bitte einen Termin haben? Can I please have an appointment? Can I please book an appointment? But you could also suggest an appointment, einen Termin vorschlagen. For example, you could say, geht es am Montag um 11 Uhr? Geht es am Montag um 11 Uhr? Is Monday at 11 okay? Another way you could ask, können Sie am Freitag um 8:30? Können Sie am Freitag um 8:30? Can you do Friday at 8:30? So sometimes the appointments, they're not really convenient for us or we can't make them. So we need to refuse them. Ablehnen. We need to refuse the appointments. So how do we do that? We could say, tut mir leid, das geht nicht. Tut mir leid, das geht nicht. Sorry, that's not possible. Another way could be, tut mir leid, das passt mir nicht. Tut mir leid, das passt mir nicht. Sorry, that's not convenient for me. Or another way, you could give a reason why this appointment doesn't suit you. For example, tut mir leid, da muss ich arbeiten. Tut mir leid, da muss ich arbeiten. That means, sorry, I will be at work. So you're given a reason why you cannot make it. Tut mir leid, da muss ich arbeiten. You're given a reason why the appointment doesn't suit you. Or what about the appointment is perfect for us? We want to agree. Zustimmen. Ja, das passt gut. Ja, das passt gut. Yes, that's fine. Or, ja, das geht. Ja, das geht. The same thing, yes, that's fine. And guys, do not forget, we will say thank you. Vielen Dank. Thank you for arranging an appointment with me. Vielen Dank. Now, let's have a look at the informal appointments. And that means if you're meeting with friends, family, or maybe you're having a date. Das heißt, du triffst dich mit Freunden, mit Familie Oder du hast ein Date, eine Verabredung. You could say, gehen wir am Samstag ins Kino? Gehen wir am Samstag ins Kino? Let's go to the cinema on Saturday. Or do we go to the cinema on Saturday? Treffen wir uns am, for example, Friday at, for example, 9 o'clock. Treffen wir uns am Freitag um 9 Uhr. Treffen wir uns am whatever day um whatever time. Or how about, geht es morgen? Geht es morgen? Can you do tomorrow? Or how about tomorrow? Um wie viel Uhr treffen wir uns? Um wie viel Uhr treffen wir uns? What time do we meet? So, well, sometimes the informal appointment doesn't suit us, so we need to refuse it. Ablehnen. How do we do that? You could say, tut mir leid, da kann ich leider nicht. Tut mir leid, da kann ich leider nicht. Sorry, I can't do that, or I can't that time. Or you could say, tut mir leid, das geht leider nicht. Tut mir leid, das geht leider nicht. Sorry, that's not possible for me. That's inconvenient for me. How about giving a person an alternative? Somebody suggests meeting on Friday. You can't do Friday, so you give him the alternative of meeting you on Saturday. You could say, am Freitag kann ich leider nicht, aber am Samstag. You could pick any other day. Am Freitag kann ich leider nicht, aber am Samstag. Or maybe the time given to you isn't really suiting you. That means you're giving an alternative time. You could say, um 9 Uhr kann ich leider nicht, aber um 10. Um 9 Uhr kann ich leider nicht, aber um 10. So you're simply saying, sorry, I cannot make the day or the time you've given to me, but I can do another day or another time. Or what if the appointment fits us perfectly? We want to agree. Zustimmen. We could say, ja, gerne. Ja, gerne. Yes, please. Or we could say, ja, super, ich freue mich. Ja, super, ich freue mich. Yes, great, I'm looking forward to it. Or we could say, klar, gerne. Klar, gerne. Of course, please. Schön, dann bis, for example, Saturday. Schön, dann bis Samstag. Schön, dann bis Samstag. Lovely, see you on Saturday. Klasse, das passt gut. Klasse, das passt gut. Great, that's perfect. Now we're having a look at a little conversation because we want to arrange an appointment with the doctors. Einen Arzttermin ausmachen. Einen Arzttermin vereinbaren. On the left, we have the lovely person working in the GP office, and on the right, we have the patient calling for an appointment. Let's start. Praxis Dr. Schlau. Mein Name ist Frau Schmidt. Was kann ich für Sie tun? Surgery of Dr. Schlau. My name is Frau Schmidt. What can I do for you? Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Herr Amir. Kann ich bitte einen Termin haben? Good day or good afternoon. My name is Mr. Amir. Can I please have an appointment? Waren Sie schon einmal bei uns? Have you been in our surgery before? An often asked question, because then they can find you in the system if you've been with the surgery before. Ja. Einen Moment bitte. Nächste Woche Dienstag um 11:20 Uhr. A moment please. Next week Tuesday at 11:20. Da kann ich leider nicht. Da muss ich arbeiten. Geht es auch etwas später? Sorry, I can't. I'll be at work. Can I come at a later time or is there a later appointment? Um 16:30 at 4:30? Ja, das passt gut. Nächste Woche Dienstag um 16:30. That's perfect. Next week Tuesday at 4:30. Vielen Dank. Auf Wiederhören. Thank you. Bye. And we're using auf Wiederhören because we're making a call. Auf Wiederhören. And the lovely person in the GP office will also answer with auf Wiederhören. Now we're having a look at the little conversation of two girls planning the night out. Eine Verabredung mit einem Freund oder einer Freundin machen. Planning for a night out with your friend. Hallo Jenny, gehen wir am Samstag zusammen in die Disco? Hi Jenny, are we going to the discotheque together on Saturday? In die Disco? Ja klar, Lisa. Wann treffen wir uns? To the discotheque? Yes, of course, Lisa. When will we meet? Treffen wir uns um 11? Should we meet 11 o'clock? 11 ist zu spät. Besser um 10. 11 is a bit late. I think 10 would be better. Super, ich freue mich. Also tschüss, bis Samstag. Great, I'm looking forward to it. See you on Saturday. Bis Samstag. See you on Saturday. Bye. Now we're having a little exercise, eine kleine Übung. I'm going to give you the answers, but you will tell me the correct questions. Are you ready? Then let's start with the first example. Der Putztag ist von 11 bis 13 Uhr. You see on that little picture, it's about people coming together to have a little bit of a cleanup on the boulevard. So what is the correct question? Von wann bis wann ist der Putztag? Von wann bis wann ist der Putztag? Great, well done guys. Let's have a look at the next one. Family movie night. The answer again is: Der Film fängt um 22 Uhr an. Oder um 10 Uhr. Der Film fängt um 22 Uhr an. So what is the correct question? I have two questions for you here. Um wie viel Uhr fängt der Film an? Um wie viel Uhr fängt der Film an? Wann fängt der Film an? Wann fängt der Film an? And now let's have a little look at this exercise. It's all about translating. Übersetzen. I will show you the English questions and you will tell me the correct German one. Translating. When will we meet on Tuesday? How do you say that in the German language? Wann treffen wir uns am Dienstag? Wann treffen wir uns am Dienstag? Next one. Let's go to swim on Wednesday. Or also, do we go to swim on Wednesday? Gehen wir am Mittwoch schwimmen? Gehen wir am Mittwoch schwimmen? And the last one. Good morning. My name is Mrs. Palova. Can I have an appointment, please? How do you say that in German? Exactly. Guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Frau Palova. Kann ich bitte einen Termin haben? Guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Frau Palova. Kann ich bitte einen Termin haben? So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I'm sure you'll be able to make your first appointment in the German language now. I hope to see you in my next video when we will talk about excuses why you cannot make it to the appointment or why you're late in our part 3. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that now. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me some lovely comments down below. See you in my next video. Bye bye guys.